Dear students, greetings from KonarClasses. In this live video demonstration, I am going to show you how to view the video lectures of different subjects, how to look into the study material, how to look into the soft copy of the books, download it, and for your future reference. To perform this thing, first you need to go to the website called www.konarclasses.com. After coming to this website, you need to click into the login button. Each and every student, those who are registered to the online test platform and online learning platform of KonarClasses, is provided with a login. So after clicking into the login button, you need to provide your designated login and the password you have selected. So I'm going to use a demo login. So I'm just typing here the demo login. After successful login, I see this view. Now, in my earlier video lectures, I have explained how to appear unit test, how to appear DPPs, that is daily practice problems, how to appear module test, how to appear mock test, how to appear practice test, how to appear adaptive test. Now, in this video demonstration, I am going to show you how you can look into the video lectures as available in the online platform. So we are tied up with some of the great faculty members, those who are great teachers, those their recorded video lectures are available here. You can look into it, you can look into the the study material, you can have a look into the the soft copy of the books, okay, and you can make it all this for your future reference. Now how to do this thing? For that, first you need to click into the right practice test. Click into the right practice test. Suppose I want to you decide that what video lectures you want to look it now. Suppose I want to have a look into the video lectures on, suppose, set, relations and functions. So if you see in the bottom in this please choose chapter, there are a lot of chapters. It is very difficult to go through and select from here. So best is that you give a quick search by keyword. Here I give sets. So I give sets here. After clicking that link, I go to the find online material. I click into the find online material and I see this kind of view here, online material. I click into the plus button at the top and I get this thing. First is that this is a book, the book, the symbol is there, so that represents the book. So if I click there, then I can get the book here, and this is the the video symbol is there. This is for the video lectures. So if I click into the theory of sets, okay, so here I'll get the book portion. This is actually the NCERT book portion. Now apart from that, also we can upload our own material. What are the special topics you should know? All these things are available here. Now suppose you want to have a look into the video lectures. So you click into the part 3, you suppose, and you see this is the viewer you are able to see. Now if you click here, then you'll start looking into the entire very high quality video with audio, and you'll understand. So like that, for all the chapters, for across all the subjects, physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology and other subjects. Now I'm talking about only 4 subjects, so these are available. So with this, so you can just play this thing. Okay, I'm not playing here because if I play, then sound will come which may superimpose with my my video, what I'm talking now. So then you can full screen also, you can make a full screen, okay, you can minimize the screen, and in your home or in your place, at your place, if you have Android TV or any other big TV, you can directly open from there, and you will get a very bigger view of this video lecture with a better quality of sound rather than your smartphone or laptop or tablet. So in that way you can look into all the video lectures. It is available across all the subjects, all the chapters. I hope you get a very clear about idea about how to look into the video, how to listen to the video lectures, how to look at the video lectures, how to listen to it, how to look into the different book portions, all these things. So in case still if you have any doubt, if you need any further clarification, never hesitate to write an email to us. Our email ID is contact@konarclasses.com, that is contact@konarclasses.com. Thank you very much.